In Louisiana, we don't just eat to live, we live to eat. We are wild about our cuisine, especially if it comes directly from our wild coast.
Now, is oyster considered wild game? It doesn't make a difference.
This is not tame oysters, these are wild oysters.
Keeping Louisiana wild and protecting the wetlands is at the heart of the annual cook-off for the coast.
No, the sloppier the better. I'm licking that off. None of that's going on a napkin.
I've enlisted expert outdoorsman and Louisiana broadcasting legend Don Dubuque as my guide to the wild side.
Oh, wow.
Every year, the Meraux Foundation's Docville Farm in Violet hosts this wild game cooking contest, which celebrates the bounty of the coast.
We have professional chef judges that are curating all the cook teams and deciding who wins the trophies. We have 4 categories. We have a student category, swims category, crawls category, and flies. And then there's also a People's Choice Award for which one they like the best.
The competition draws everyone from seasoned chefs to amateur cooks to culinary students from the local high school.
I'm going back to school. That's awesome.
By highlighting the bounty, Cook-Off for the Coast also helps to raise awareness and funds to protect and restore its source, Louisiana's fragile coast.
How important is this event?
This is extremely important, mainly because this is St. Bernard Parish. This is ground zero for the coast. You know what these people went through with some of the hurricanes, and they are so adamant about getting that coast restored, getting hurricane protection in, rebuilding those barrier islands, filling in the marsh through diversion and pumping and dredging. And to have them come out like this and show this interest, it's great. It's that spirit that you find down here in St. Bernard.
There are thousands of people here promoting coastal restoration and all coastal projects to improve St. Bernard Parish's coast and Louisiana's coastline.
Some of the shoreline protection measures that we're raising money for today are going to be put into place to supplement the hurricane protection that exists. And it's really a matter of life or death for the entire metro area that this happens.
Are natural disasters that we can't really avoid, so that's what we kind of hope to come back and combat and build up bigger infrastructures, bigger barriers, bigger protective services that'll be able to protect us and our vanishing coast. That is a very important issue for this state right now.
The best way to deliver that message is to celebrate the culture and cuisine.
Being environmentally conscious never tasted so good.
That's right.
That sounds like the Louisiana way.
It's a way of life that Cook-Off for the Coast truly celebrates.
Because a lot of these people here, they make their living off of the coast, the natural resources, the shrimp, the oysters, the crabs, the recreational fishing. Oil and gas industry is tied into it too. It's probably the biggest issue and crisis we face in the whole state of Louisiana. And to me, there's nothing more important.